Welcome back my channel. 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 has made a grand entrance, redefining American supercars with its remarkable performance and engineering. At its heart lies a twin-turbocharged 5.5-liter V8 engine, known as the LT7, delivering an astounding 1,064 horsepower and 828 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse propels the ZR1 to a top speed exceeding 215 miles per hour, solidifying its status as the most potent Corvette to date. To harness this immense power, Chevrolet has equipped the ZR1 with a specialized 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. This system features upgraded input shafts and shot-peened gears, enhancing durability and ensuring seamless power delivery. The result is a driving experience that combines raw power with precision handling, offering enthusiasts an unparalleled connection to the road. Aerodynamics play a crucial role in the ZR1's performance. The vehicle boasts a louvered hood design, effectively venting heat from the engine bay and improving cooling efficiency. For those seeking enhanced downforce, an optional carbon fiber aero package is available, providing up to 1,200 pounds of downforce at top speed. This package includes a prominent adjustable rear wing and other carbon fiber components, ensuring stability during high-speed maneuvers. Inside the cabin, the ZR1 offers a driver-focused environment with premium materials and advanced technology. While maintaining the Corvette's signature layout, the interior features unique badging and customizable options, allowing drivers to tailor the space to their preferences. The integration of performance data displays ensures that drivers have real-time access to critical information, enhancing both safety and performance. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Corvette ZR1 starts at $174,995 for the 1LZ Coupe, with the 3LZ Coupe priced at $185,995. Convertible variants are available for an additional $10,000. The carbon fiber aero package, priced at $8,495, is a notable option for those seeking maximum aerodynamic performance. For enthusiasts desiring the ultimate track experience, the ZTK package can be added for $1,500, further enhancing the vehicle's capabilities. Production of the ZR1 is set to commence in the second quarter of this year at Chevrolet's Bowling Green facility. However, prospective buyers should be aware of potential delays, particularly concerning the availability of the carbon fiber aero package. Chevrolet is actively working to address these supply chain challenges to meet customer demand. The ZR1's debut has not only captivated enthusiasts, but also made a significant impact in the automotive community. The first retail production model was auctioned for an impressive $3.7 million, with proceeds benefiting charitable causes. This event underscores the ZR1's desirability and the strong demand among collectors and enthusiasts alike. In addition to the ZR1, Chevrolet has expanded the Corvette lineup with the introduction of the Corvette SUV. This new model aims to blend the performance heritage of the Corvette with the versatility of an SUV, catering to a broader audience. While details are still emerging, the Corvette SUV is expected to offer a unique driving experience, combining practicality with the brand's iconic performance attributes. For those eager to experience the ZR1 firsthand, Chevrolet has announced that orders will be accepted starting mid-February. Given the anticipated high demand and potential supply constraints, interested buyers are encouraged to contact authorized Chevrolet dealers promptly to secure their reservations. The 2025 Corvette ZR1 represents a pinnacle of engineering and performance, promising to deliver an exhilarating driving experience that stands at the forefront of automotive excellence. In summary, the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 is a testament to American automotive innovation, combining cutting-edge technology with unparalleled performance. Whether you're a longtime Corvette enthusiast or new to the brand, the ZR1 offers a compelling blend of power, precision, and style that is sure to leave a lasting impression. Thanks for watching my video.